Hello everybody, I hope you all are doing well in your studies. So today I'm gonna show my mock test scores of SBI Clerk 2022 prelims mock test of Guidely. So yesterday I have attempted this mock, and today I'm gonna show how much marks I have scored in this mock test. So as you can see, I have scored 73 marks. I have attempted 78 questions, out of which 4 questions were wrong, so 1 marks were deducted. So I have scored 73 marks, and the rank is 15. 1303 students have attempted this mock, and I have got 15th rank, and the percentile is 98.85, and the accuracy is 95%. So let us see what will happen if more number of student will attempt this mock. Then what will be my rank? And now my rank is 15 out of 1303 students. So we'll see that what will be my rank after lots of people attempt this mock. So the percentile is 98.85 percentile. So now the percentile is good, but I think score should be 80 plus, then I will be satisfied. But the level of test was also good. So you can see that in English language I have attempted 19 questions, out of which 4 were wrong, so and 15 were correct. So that's why I got 14 marks in English. And in English I think I have attempted less number of questions, and the accuracy is also not good because 4 questions were wrong. So I think I should be more accurate in English section, and I will work hard for that before exam. In numerical ability I have attempted 25 questions, and 25 questions are correct. So the percentile is less, I can say 89.33 percentile is, and I think it should be 30 plus marks in this. Then the percentile will be 95 percentile plus percentile, then it will be good. And rank is also low in that, 139 rank. So I have to do more in quant section. I have to improve my speed in quant section, but the level of test was also good. That's why I think my scores are less in it. In reasoning section I have attempted good number of questions. I have attempted 34 questions out of 35, and the percentile is 99.85, and accuracy is also 100%. So in reasoning section my strong point is reasoning section. So I have maintained the accuracy plus number of attempts in reasoning section, so that's good. But I have to improve my score, so that even it is tougher or whatever, I have to get, I think 80 plus marks, then it will be good, beneficial for me. So my strategy of attempting mock test is to firstly attempt easy questions, then go to hard level questions. So that's my strategy, and by doing this I think my reasoning is, that's why my reasoning is strong, because firstly I attempt easy questions, then I go to puzzles and hard level questions, which take time to attempt. So that's why I attempt good number of questions in reasoning. In quant section only I think a little bit more practice is necessary, so that the speed should be increased. So I will attempt more questions, I will work hard so that I can get more marks. So I think by attempting and by practicing I can improve my marks. So thank you all. I hope you all liked my video.